ఆగా ఏమి చెప్పేది హరిని
To meet great artists like Maladi family is a bliss in my life. To get teaching from them, from Sri Ram Prasad, is dream come true for me. I forget my age. Thanks to Indian Octave. Antayunnive Hari Pundarikaksha Chantanagu Nive Sri Raghurama.
Namaskaram everyone. I'd like to thank the Indian Octaves team, the Maladi Acharyas as well as Vishwanath Garu for conducting such a beautiful 6-day musical workshop. What I particularly liked about these sessions was that all three Acharyas not only taught us some beautiful compositions but also gave their own interpretations of Sangeetam and Manodharmam, which I found very useful for budding singers like me. One composition which I really liked the meaning of was Manasama Neevu in the Ragam Sama. Manasama Neevu Maruvakumi Pennidhanamu Rama Mantranu Saldhanamu
Uttama Madhyama Mugiga I would like to thank the team of Indian Octaves for organizing such a beautiful interactive workshop by Sri Maladi Suribabu Garu and Sri Maladi Brothers.
చిత్తమునుంచే దన్నటికో పావన రామ నామ సుధారస పానము చేసే దన్నటికో.
Namaskaram, my name is Vishank Ramadugu. I would like to thank Indian Octaves for bringing up this 6-day ART workshop. And my humble namaskarams to all the Maladi Gurus. Thank you so much for teaching me all these kritis.
Orapo merupo oyaramo nigu veratumaiya govinduda. Namaskaram. I would like to thank Indian Octaves for organizing this interactive workshop. Especially, I would like to convey my thanks to Maladi Suribabu Garu and Vasavi ma'am for teaching us such beautiful Annamacharya kritis.
I am Smriti and I am really grateful to Indian Octaves for providing us with this wonderful opportunity to learn from the Maladi Acharyas.
I'm very fortunate to have learned from the Gurus these past 6 days, and I also want to thank Indian Octaves for organizing this event. Pavana Rama Nama Sudarasa Panamuje Se Dannatiko Pavana Rama Nama Sudarasa Panamuje Se Dannatiko.
Thank you to Guru Garu and Indian Octaves team for giving us this opportunity to learn from గురుగారు ఇతని కంటే గనోలికలేరు ఇతర దేవతల ఇందరిలోన ఇతని కంటే గనో.
And I would like to thank the Indian Octaves team for the opportunity to be part of this great interactive workshop with the Maladi family. Vade Ramudu Lokabhi Ramudu Trailokya Damudu Ranaranga Bhimudu Vade Ramudu Lokabhi Ramudu Trailokya Damudu Ranaranga Bhimudu.
श्रीपति मेहानंद गोपगृह परमागतमकलये सखी.
Namaste. I thank the Indian Octaves for conducting live sessions on Annamacharya Kritis by Sri Malladi Suribabu Garu and Srimati Vasavi Garu. Adima Purushudu Ahobalamunanu Vedadri Guhalo Velasivade Adima Purushudu Ahobalamunanu Vedadri Guhalo.
I would like to thank Indian Octaves and the legendary Maladi Trio for this amazing interactive workshop. Yedi nijumbani yetuval namudo yedi nijumbani yetuval namudo.
Hi all, thank you for this amazing virtual event, and special thanks to the Maladi Trio and Vishwanath Garu for helping me learn all these new songs. Bhanuvam satilaka pradimali koniyada Ramachandra.
I would like to thank Indian Octave and the Maladi Gurus for this amazing learning opportunity. Bhanuvamsha tilaka patimali koniyara Ramachandra Ramachandra.
Thank you, Indian Octaves and Guruji, for organizing this wonderful workshop. My favorite song was Jaya Jaya Ramanatha. Jaya Jaya Ramanatha, Jaya Jaya Dharanatha, Jaya Jaya Varahapura Shri Venkatesha.
Thanks to Indian Octaves and the Gurus for this opportunity. My favorite song is Devama. Devama, oh Devama, Devama, oh Devama, Taya Chudata Gada, Devama, Neveri Vardanaite.
Thank you Indian Octaves and Maladi Gurus for presenting me with this opportunity. Singarayadavodu Chennakesha Inka Chengakumi Maratulanu Chennakesha Singarayadavodu.
From the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank Vidwan Maladi Suribabu Garu, Vidwan Maladi Brothers, and Indian Octaves for arranging this wonderful workshop. Not only did I enjoy the songs and techniques that they taught, but I also enjoyed the stories of their great gurus, which were very inspirational to me. Narayana, Narayana, Jaya Gopala Hare, Narayana, Narayana.
Hi, I'm Katyani Rangarajan, and I really enjoyed the art workshop this year taught to me by the Guru Garus. It was a really wonderful experience and I learned a lot. My favorite kirtana was Ehi Mudam Dehi, एहि मोदं देहि श्रीकृष्ण मां पाहि गोपाल बाल कृष्ण कृष्ण
तयुनतनि महा महिमे हतडुत చేసిన ఎట్టైనవునో తయునతని మహా महिमे. ప్రణామమ్స్ టు ఆల్ ద గురూజీస్. మాకు చాలా మంచి కాంపోజిషన్స్ నేర్పించారు ఈ వారం రోజులు. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఇండియన్ ఆక్టేవ్స్ అండ్ విశ్వనాథ్ గారు for arranging a very good workshop.
Namaskaram. A very big thanks to the Indian Octaves team and the whole Malladi family for presenting us with this beautiful workshop.
మొత్తపు బంధ విమోచనమునకు చిత్తజ గురుడే సిద్ధౌషధము అన్నిటికీ నిధి పరమౌషధము వెన్నుని నామమే విమలౌషధము అన్నిటికీ.
Namaskaram. First of all, I am very thankful to Indian Octaves for giving us this wonderful workshop, and I wish them to do so many workshops like this in future. And I am also extending my thanks to Malladi Gurus, especially Ravi sir. Sakala Shanti Karamu Sarvesha Nipai Bhakti Sarvesha Sakala Shanti Karamu.
Namaskaram. I would like to thank Indian Octaves for giving us this wonderful opportunity to learn the rare kritis of Annamacharya.
వరపో మెరుపో ఒయ్యారమో నీకు వెరతుమయ్యా గోవిందుడా. వరపో మెరుపో ఒయ్యారమో నీకు వెరతుమయ్యా గోవిందుడా.
Namaskaram. Thank you to the Indian Octaves Workshop for providing us with such a wonderful opportunity, and a special thank you to Malladi Suribabu Garu and Vasavi Garu for teaching us Annamacharya Sankirtanam so patiently.
కపటమో నిజమో కరుణయో కోపమో ఉపచారమో ఉపతాపమో నిపుణత తనపై నేయమే చేసేవు విపరీతము గోవిందుడా. ఓరపో మెరుపో వయ్యారమో నీకు వెరతుమయ్యా గోవిందుడా.
It was totally a new learning experience that helps to become a better performer and a teacher. Pranams to all the gurus. Thank you, Indian Octaves. సింగారరాయడవౌదు చెన్నకేశ ఇంకా చెంగకుమి మారతులను చెన్నకేశ సింగారరాయడవౌదు చెన్నకేశ.
It was a great learning experience for the past 6 days, learning new kirtanas of Annamaya, Ramadasu and Narayan Tirthalu, conducted by Indian Octaves.
అంతయునదని మహా మహిమే.
I thank Indian Octaves and Sri Vishwanath for the excellent 6-day workshop arranged. All the 3 gurus taught us how to do breath management, how to practice Manodharma, different way of singing, and how to sing Alapana, and it was an incredible workshop. Shripati mig Nanda Gopa Grihe Paramagata Ma Kalaye हरे सखी श्रीपति
नर्तन गोपाल जय नवनीत चोरा गोपाल नर्तन गोपाल जय नवनीत चोरा गोपाल.
Thanks to the gurus and also thanks to the Indian Octaves for organizing this workshop. ఇహ పరములగును ఏలికవు బహురూపంబుల ప్రహ్లాద వరద.
Namaste, thanks to Indian Octaves. It's really a great experience. Wonderful opportunity to learn kritis from great artist Sri Malladi Sri Ram Prasad Garu. He really taught and gave us a valuable time to each student. Thank you so much.
రారానా వెన్న ముద్ద గోపాల నాకివ్వర ఒక చిన్ని ముద్దు గోపాల రారానా వెన్న ముద్ద గోపాల. Thank you.
Namaste to all. Thanks for Indian Octaves for giving me an opportunity to learn from the great gurus, the Malladi family. And special thanks to Guru Sri Ram Prasad Garu. Rara na venna mudda gopala na kivvara oka chinni muddu gopala rara na venna mudda gopala na kivvara oka chinni muddu gopala.
Thank you Indian Octaves for organizing your workshop, and my sincere thanks to Sri Malladi Sri Ram Prasad Garu for taking time to teach us. And I am going to sing అన్నిటికీ నిధి పరమౌషధము వెన్నుని నామమే విమలౌషధము.
Thank you Indian Octaves for making this possible.
పురయ మమ కామం గోపాల పురయ మమ కామం గోపాల పురయ మమ కామం.
I love the workshop from the Malladi Acharyas. My favorite song from the Pedda Pedda Guru Garu. Nicha nicha vithala neekela irettu vatsamune